How close is the moon to the Earth? Most people get this wrong unless you've seen a couple of episodes on YouTube about it. I'm going to explain to you exactly how far the moon actually is to the Earth. Let's say if the Earth is to this scale, most people would put the moon around here. And that is completely wrong. So I'm going to have to go outside to actually show you the true distance. I'm going to get my dad Hugo to help us, so let's go. Hey Dad, all right, so this is the Earth, this is the moon, so let's go and see how far the moon is compared to the Earth. And the moon would be about here, 7.5 meters away. All right, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please hit that subscribe and like button.